Hello and welcome to Baatein Swaad Anusaar.
Vanakkam. So kyo ma?
What are you doing? आप सबका स्वागत है। बातें स्वाद अनुसार में बातें भी होती हैं, स्वाद भी आता है और ये स्वाद जो है पूरी दुनिया का स्वाद यहाँ पे आ जाए तो कितना मज़ा आएगा। तो ये दुनिया को अपनी मुट्ठी में लेके आना आसान नहीं होता। ये जो शख्सियत है ना वो भाषाओं का बड़ा अच्छा ज्ञान है, उनको बहुत दुनिया भर में घूमे हैं। आई एम विद माइक हैंकी, यूएस काउंसिल जनरल। वणक्कम।
Vanakkam. So kyo ma? Yeppadi irukanga?
What are you doing?
Besides the Tamil, my Hindi's okay. So
yeah. अच्छा मैंने सब ठीक ठाक ही बोला था।
मुझे गुजराती बोलना चाहिए, मुझे मराठी बोलना चाहिए, लेकिन हिंदी सिर्फ।
Actually, since you are here, we thought that we would also bring in something from United States, from US Northwest Cherries.
We got them here. This is
my
great.
God. This looks so good, unreal, isn't it?
I know. You look at them, and I mean, to me, this is the picture of a Northwest cherry.
Yeah.
It's big, it's perfect, it's juicy and plump. If I wasn't doing the filming right now, I'd sit here and eat the whole bowl. I love these things. That's the thing. They taste as good as they look. The thing about Northwest cherries is they're ripened on the tree, and when it's cherry season right now, during the US summer, they ripen, they get picked very carefully, packed into a box, and then put through this cold chain where they are protected, and they get out here to India within 4 days. So you're tasting what it is to be ripened from this special soil, a volcanic soil in the Washington state, northwestern US up near Seattle. It's amazing. When they get out here, it's like it takes your mind and your body right back there to Seattle and northwestern US.
Oh yeah, that part is beautiful, nice, weather is nice.
Great.
India also has cherries.
That's right.
Yeah, when Indian cherries are no longer in season, you find US Northwest cherries.
Yeah.
I think it's a great symbiotic relationship that we have of not just countries but the produce that we have.
Absolutely.
I think that's a fantastic thing. So you've been here for some time. You've been here before. Tell me, what is one thing that you like most in India?
India makes me feel at home. Because it is such a diverse country. You have everything from the Tamil culture and language and food that I had first been exposed to all the different states, each with its own feel, its own language, its own dance and history and language. And in many ways, that's the story of the United States, that diversity across the board that's all brought together in one country. It's really an amazing, amazing thing. I am really impressed with the amount of infrastructure development going on, which is overcoming distance in India. The ways that roads, rail, the number of new airports coming. When I was here as a high school student, I had great times riding the second class 3-tier non-AC train from Coimbatore to Delhi and going up north 3 days. It was fun because I had the time.
Yes.
Now with development, you've got the new Vande Bharat trains, you've got double the number of airports, you have these express highways, and it's connecting Indians and opening it up to foreigners like me in a way that we never had before. I think that's fascinating.
Thank you very much for that, bringing it so positively, Mike. If you were to say that the way we are embracing cherries from Northwest, that there should be more exposure to what Indian fruit should travel to America and most Americans should taste. Which fruit?
Jackfruit. Without a doubt. Without a doubt.
Amazing.
I love jackfruit. I love fresh, ripe jackfruit, the fruit itself. And the way that you can use jackfruit in cooking. It can be prepared to look and taste like several non-veg dishes. You can use it as filler.
Who are you?
Yeah, I think we don't know enough about jackfruit in the US, honestly.
Who are you? You're talking like an Indian. Great to know, because most people, very predictable, will say, oh, Alfonso, mangoes, which is nice, which is fantastic. Okay, time for rapid fire.
I'll give it a try.
Okay.
All right.
It's not going to be tough. If you were to pick cherry pie,
Okay.
or rasmalai.
Oh, that's tough.
That's tough.
Yeah, I think it would have to be cherry pie because I grew up with it.
You studied journalism, of course. You love to read. Any Indian author that is your favorite, or?
I have been introduced just recently to several different works by Jerry Pinto, a biker, but also some of the translations he's done of people who, women who were writing bhajans to God Vittel, connected to the Pandharpur Wadi.
Okay, as your taste preference, what do you prefer, sweet or savory?
I think, unfortunately, for my waistline, I would go towards sweet. I do love savory. I love spicy. I don't know that I love the sweet-savory combination. For me, I would rather have it sweet or savory.
Okay, if you were a vegetable, which one would it be?
I think I'd be a carrot.
Okay.
They're very strong. They root themselves deeply in the earth. I've grown carrots. They're great to grow a fresh carrot straight out of the ground. You don't even need to, you just wash it off, rinse it off.
Yeah.
It's incredibly sweet for something grown in the ground. Makes a good snack, it's filling.
Great color, great color. And in India we have great varieties of
Different
carrot.
colors.
Yes, different colors. Punjab, there is deep, almost beetroot kind of color. We call it black carrot.
Okay.
And we make a savory drink out of it. It's a fermented drink.
Really?
Yeah, world does not know about it.
I'll have to try it.
Yeah, it's a secret that we have. Yeah, it's only in winters. So you get that, and very simple to make. Maybe I'll make someday.
I would love to try it.
Yeah, it is. Okay, you have worked in different parts of the world. Quick, your top 3 dishes from 3 different parts where you have lived.
I spent a lot of time in the Middle East. I loved working in Egypt, and I loved a dish there called molokhia, which is it's a stew of a leaf. Here in India, pongal.
A pongal, okay.
You know, I think I'd have to go for something from the U.S. My brother and I, we've both worked in restaurants and bakeries in our lives, and we often have competitions about who can make a better pie.
Okay.
So
it used to be cherry pie then.
Yeah, so I usually leave him to make the cherry pie.
Okay.
I usually make the apple pie.
Nice.
But I think it would be pie of some kind. I mean, not only the fresh pie, but for me, my wife knows this, my favorite is on the second day, you have breakfast pie. You go in and you can have a slice of pie for breakfast. You don't have to just eat it for dinner. So I think pie would be mine.
Wow. Actually, speaking of cooking, you mean to say that you love to be in the kitchen?
I do. I do.
Well, let's take you to the kitchen then.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I love it. All right, in the kitchen.
In the kitchen. Oh, wow. Some more cherries.
I love it.
US Northwest cherries over there. They look so good, plump, nice color, look fresh. Let's do a little competition here.
Yeah.
Let's do not cherry picking, but cherry pitting competition.
Getting the pit out.
Yes, getting the pit out.
All right. So what are you thinking? Maybe we'll see how many we can do.
Yeah. So
maybe
how many?
In a minute?
We'll in a minute. Count, and the winner would be who has maximum pits.
All right. Now look, it's going to be sweet and juicy.
Yeah.
So I think I'd take good care. And I would use, here, you tell me if this is right.
Okay, never mind, I'll take this. So I'll take my position.
All right.
And you count, so the winner is who has maximum pits.
All right, ready? Your time starts now. Hey, you're cheating! Although we didn't set the rules, did we? That's true. So I might make...
Rule was maximum pits.
Maximum pits? All right. Now, there's nothing that's going to stop me at the end of this minute from just eating my bunch either. I like using the paring knife, to be honest, because if you do it well, you don't have to worry about cutting your finger because it goes straight into the pit. You're going one by one.
Competition.
Okay. Oh, these are good ones. They got such good ones. They're sweet, they're juicy.
I don't know about pits, but they're delicious.
Yeah. All right, 15 seconds. Let's see what we can get. I think, last one. And time. All right, excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This is professional work. We actually now have to cook something.
We can do that.
Yeah, we can do that. So very quickly, let's cook something. Okay, so some quick cooking with the US Northwest cherries. So all these things, equal parts of yogurt, cream and condensed milk gets mixed here.
Excellent.
Yeah.
I'll go for it.
Perfect.
Probably doesn't matter which order they go in.
No, it does not. So I have some of these cherries here.
Diced?
Yes, diced. Some sugar, lemon juice into it. So while you mix that, what I'm going to do is just kind of make a quick compote out of this. That's about it.
Wow.
So, what you've done also is looking very good.
All right.
And we also have some more.
Same thing.
Same thing.
All right.
Yeah, that looks very good. Maybe 1/4 inch from the top. I have this aluminum foil. So we're just going to steam this. That's like a custard. The water does not go in there. So this is looking good. While this sets,
wow.
I have something that's already. But the beauty is, you take a little bit of this nice.
Wow! Look at this.
Look at that. Look at that.
All right, I'm gonna have to try this.
Yeah.
They taste like a cherry does when it comes out of a pie.
Yeah, exactly. Once you poach them, that looks so good. And must admit, we did love having you here.
It's a great pleasure.
On Baatein Swaad Anusaar. Baatein Swaad Anusaar. Baatein Swaad Anusaar.
Baatein Swaad Anusaar.
Fantastic. Thank you, Mike. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
बहुत मजा आया. Rumba?
Nandri.
Rumba Nandri. See,
Yeah.
he's teaching me Tamil.
Yeah.
This is fantastic. Thank you very much, and please have a fantastic stay in India.
Thank you.
Enjoy all the lovely places, meet best people of India, and taste the best.
I look forward to collaborating more, seeing what else we can do. Not only to bring the two tastes together, but bring the two countries together.
That's
starting with the food, starting with the stomach.
Starting with the stomach. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Lovely.
Really nice.
Thank you.